Did you know that 2/3 of people abandon their New Year's resolutions by February 1st? And P.S., that's tomorrow. One of the most popular resolutions is cutting out refined sugar. But what do you do when you need something sweet? Oh, don't worry, I have a solution. Natural Delights Medjool dates. They're a whole, fresh fruit that provides natural sweetness. And bonus, the fiber found in dates helps you stay fuller longer after eating, which means they can help you manage all of those cravings. So if you need a boost of natural energy in the afternoon, puree Medjool dates into energy bites made with peanut butter, toasted coconut, protein powder seeds, and of course some dark chocolate chips. And if you're trying to get more veggies in, dates can add a pop of natural sweetness to dishes like kale salads. Packed with 16 essential vitamins and minerals, they are really the ultimate addition to any meal. So be sure to pick up Natural Delights Medjool dates at H-E-B, Kroger, Walmart, and online at naturaldelights.com. And if you're trying to stick to a workout routine in 2022, make sure you fuel recovery with high-quality protein. And believe it or not, one of the easiest ways to do that is with good old cow's milk. As a sports dietitian, I am all about a post-workout smoothie made with A2 milk and fruit. It provides carbohydrate, protein, and fluid to help with recovery. Now, if you don't know about A2 milk, this is 100% real dairy milk from local U.S. farms, and it comes from cows that naturally produce only the A2 protein. It's easier on digestion and may help some people avoid discomfort, making it perfect for post-exercise fuel. And let me tell you, if you really want to elevate that recovery game, use A2 milk as the base to an oatmeal smoothie bowl made with fresh fruit, nut butter, coconut, and seeds. You've really got to try it, so be sure to pick up A2 milk at H-E-B and at Whole Foods, and keep that exercise game intact for 2022.